To know by now that stepping in and out won't bring you down until you make it definite. 6:15 sacrifice your rest. I thought you said you're different. For those who believe in it, thankfully. Oh, not another mind made up from doing nothing more than all you say. No more room to breathe until we just get them to say, we'll make them say that we've been down and out all day. If your education brings you home, why are you still away? So give it up if you're not still trying to hold it up in your four-time windowed room. I've got the feeling that you're not. You sing of all of your best bets on plans that you still don't have set. From those who believe in it, they parade until we just get them to say, we'll make them say that we've been down and out all day. If your education brings you home, why are you still away? Say, we'll make them see that we've got no more room to breathe. If your education brings you home, why are you still away? I gave it all, the thoughts you said you needed, but the minutes got repeated for too long, for too long. Can you say